Welcome to the top best. The best car camera is probably one of the most essential gadgets you can add to your vehicle today, offering unparalleled peace of mind and crucial evidence in unexpected situations, from minor fender benders to more serious incidents, ensuring you're always protected on the road and have a reliable witness capturing every moment of your journey, making it an indispensable tool for every driver seeking enhanced safety and security. Number 5. ROVE R2-4K Dash Cam. Experience unparalleled video quality with this device. Its 8MP sensor captures every detail in 2160p, far surpassing other car cameras. Revolutionary super night vision ensures clear footage even in low light. Manage your recordings effortlessly using the ROVE app on your smartphone. Download 4K videos at high speeds directly to your device. Share your journeys with friends and family on social media with ease. Its built-in GPS precisely records your driving location and speed. You can review your routes on Google Maps via the app or a dedicated player. Enjoy free over-the-air firmware updates through the ROVE app. This camera includes a supercapacitor, f1.5 aperture, and a 150 degrees wide-angle lens. Features like parking mode, motion detection, and G-sensor provide comprehensive protection. It supports up to a 512GB micro SD card for extensive recording. This product is backed by a full 1-year warranty for your peace of mind. Our USA Chicago-based customer care team is ready to assist you. Text or email us for fast responses to any questions or issues. What we like. This dash cam offers stunning 4K UHD recording with revolutionary super night vision. It captures incredibly clear footage day and night, ensuring every detail is visible. If you prioritize crystal clear video evidence and superior low-light performance, this is an excellent choice for you. What people say. Number 4. WOLFBOX G840S12 4K Mirror Dash Cam. Experience every detail with its upgraded 4K front camera and 1080p rear camera. Its extra-large 12-inch display offers 1.5 times the viewing area, significantly reducing blind spots for a safer drive. Stay connected with 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi and real-time GPS tracking. You can easily connect it to your phone via the WOLFBOX app for live viewing, playback, and quick video sharing. This device features wide-angle lenses, 170 degrees front and 140 degrees rear, providing a broader field of view. Its smart split-screen function allows simultaneous monitoring, seamlessly integrating with your car's interior. Equipped with WDR and HDR technology and a professional sensor, it delivers superior image quality even in challenging lighting. Its low reflectivity LCD reduces glare, ensuring clear visibility day or night. Beyond driving, it offers continuous 24-hour parking surveillance. The time-lapse mode records efficiently, ensuring your vehicle is always monitored, though a hardware kit is needed for this feature. WOLFBOX provides attentive customer service to address any questions you may have. It comes with a 12-month guarantee, ensuring consistent performance and peace of mind. What we like. This model stands out with its extra-large 12-inch mirror display and dual-camera setup. It provides a significantly wider field of view, effectively reducing blind spots. If you're looking to upgrade your rearview mirror for enhanced safety and a comprehensive view, this is the perfect fit. What people say. Number 3. ROVE R2-4K Dual Dash Cam. This dash cam offers dual-channel recording, capturing both the road ahead and behind you simultaneously. The front camera records in stunning 4K, while the rear camera captures clear Full HD footage, ensuring comprehensive coverage. Its wide-angle lenses capture more of your surroundings. Equipped with an advanced Sony Starvis 2 sensor, it delivers exceptional image quality with vivid colors and sharp details. Its wide-aperture lenses allow more light, resulting in brighter and clearer recordings, especially in low-light conditions. With built-in dual-band 5 GHz Wi-Fi, you can instantly view and manage recordings on your smartphone. Download videos at speeds up to 20 MB SEC and easily share them. You can also manage settings and update firmware wirelessly through the app. This camera includes built-in GPS, displaying real-time speed and compass on its screen. It records precise driving routes, locations, and speed stamps directly onto your video. You can review this data using the free GPS player on your computer for additional evidence. Experience peace of mind with its custom-designed 24-hour parking mode, offering time-lapse, motion, and collision detection. If an event occurs while parked, it records and locks a video, then alerts you with a voice notification when you next start your car. It comes with a free 128GB microSD card and boasts features like motion detection, G-sensor, and seamless loop recording. Emergency video lock, voice guidance, and a supercapacitor for extended life are also included. Everything needed for setup is included: front and rear cameras, a 128GB microSD card, charger, cables, and mounting tools. Its built-in thermal protection also safeguards the device in high temperatures. What we like. This dual dash cam captures both front 4K and rear 1080p footage simultaneously. Equipped with a Sony Starvis 2 sensor, it delivers exceptional image quality even in challenging light. If you need comprehensive front and rear coverage with top-tier sensor performance and fast file transfers, this is a strong contender. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Unable to extract points as the source JSON was empty. Number 2. FOCUWAY L7 4G LTE Dash Cam. Introducing the FOCUWAY L7, your ultimate vehicle security companion. This advanced dash cam keeps you connected to your car, offering real-time monitoring from any location. Unlike standard cameras, it uses 4G LTE for remote access via the WOLFBOX Pro app. You can monitor your vehicle in real time, perfect for peace of mind when you're away. Equipped with AI radar detection, it minimizes false alarms and sends instant alerts to your phone. You can even use its two-way audio to communicate or deter intruders remotely. Experience True Sentry Mode with automatic cloud backup. If an incident occurs, it immediately uploads footage, ensuring your evidence is safe even if the device is tampered with. It captures both the road and cabin simultaneously with crystal clear 2K front and 1080p inside resolution. Powerful infrared LEDs ensure clear recording even in complete darkness. Installation is a breeze with the included OBD power cable, providing 24/7 surveillance without complex wiring. Its discreet, screenless design blends seamlessly into your vehicle. What we like. This innovative dash cam offers 4G LTE remote access, allowing live view from anywhere. It provides real-time monitoring and instant alerts to your phone, even when you're far away. If you desire ultimate peace of mind with constant remote connectivity and cloud backup for your vehicle, this is designed for you. What people say. Number 1. IIWEY N5 4-channel 360° dash cam. Introducing the IIWEY N5, your ultimate driving companion. This innovative dash cam offers a full 360-degree view, capturing everything around and inside your vehicle with its 4 channels. It records in crisp 1080p FHD, ensuring no detail is missed. Equipped with 8 IR lamps, it provides exceptional night vision, keeping you protected even in low light. Its super wide-angle lenses, 170 degrees for front and rear, and 150 degrees for sides, ensure a comprehensive field of view. You'll see more of the road and your surroundings. This device comes with a pre-installed 128GB SD card, ready for immediate use. It features seamless loop recording, automatically overwriting the oldest footage when memory is full, so you never have to worry about running out of space. Every segment is saved securely. Experience lightning-fast connectivity with its built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Pair it with the free mobile app to easily preview, download, and share your footage directly from your phone. It puts control right at your fingertips. For continuous vehicle protection, it offers 2 24-hour parking modes, time-lapse and impact detection. Additionally, its G-sensor automatically locks emergency recordings upon sudden impact, safeguarding crucial evidence. These features ensure your car is monitored even when you're away. Please note, it requires power from the original cigarette lighter charger and cannot use USB cables. It uses a supercapacitor, so it needs constant power during operation. A hardwire kit is available separately for parking modes. This model does not include GPS or support OBD connections. Remember to long press the rear camera must be wired and connected to the front camera for use. What we like. This unique dash cam provides an unparalleled 4-channel, 360-degree view of your vehicle. It records simultaneously from the front, rear, interior, and both sides, leaving no blind spots. If you're a rideshare driver or simply want maximum surveillance coverage for your car, this comprehensive system is ideal. What people say. No reviews available in the source to extract points from. No reviews available in the source to extract points from. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.